So this is a quick and dirty video. I'll be showing how to generate a table of contents in Microsoft Word in APA style, specifically with an eye toward master's thesis or doctoral dissertation. I have here a thesis from a student who shall remain anonymous. And the first step is to open up the text styles. This version of Word that I have here actually shows them across the top of the screen. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, but if yours doesn't, you can come up to the search box and type text styles and click on this, and it will open a box the side here. These headings correspond to APA heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, but they're not defined that way yet. So what I need to do is highlight my headings in my thesis and then tell Word how I want each of those levels to look. So Chapter 1 Introduction, that's going to be obviously a Level 1 heading, which in APA style is centered and in bold with important words capitalized. The student has already formatted these headings. So I'm going to come over here, click on heading 1. I'm going to click Update Heading 1 to match selection. What that does is it tells Word that I want heading 1 to look like this, right? Centered and bold. Keep scrolling down. Here's another heading 1. This one, since I've already defined heading 1, I can just click heading 1 and it tags it. Scrolling down further, here we got a level 2 heading, which is left justified. Haven't defined that one yet, so I'm going to click on heading 2, click a little down arrow, update heading 2 to match selection. That tells Word that this is what level 2 looks like. Scrolling down further, here's another level 2. Just highlight it, click level 2 or heading 2, that tags it. Scrolling down further, here's a level 3 heading. This one is left justified in bold but in italics. So I'm going to highlight that, click on heading 3, click the arrow down, update heading 3 to match selection. Okay. Keep scrolling down, here's another level 3. Again, since I've already defined it, I just click heading 3 and so forth. So I would do that through my whole thesis. You may want to pause the video while you do that. And then the next step is to go up to the top and actually insert your table of contents. I've already typed on a blank page table of contents. Go down to the line below. I'm going to click References, Table of Contents. Now, Word does not have a table of contents defined in APA format, so I'm going to have to define one. So I'm going to click Custom Table of Contents and click on Modify. So this little box here, TOC1, just means this is how I want a level 1 heading to look in my table of contents. I'm going to click Modify. I'm going to select, I want everything to be Times New Roman. Yours probably won't when you first open it. I want it to be 12 point. I want the text color to be black. And I also want to fix the spacing. So I'm going to click Format, Paragraph. I want the line spacing to be double. And I want these, I don't want Word to add any extra spaces, so I'm going to set these both to 0, 0, and I'm going to click Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs of the Same Style. Okay, so that's level 1. Click OK, OK, OK. Whoops. Modify, and here's level 2. Modify. Same thing, I want Times New Roman, 12 point. I want it to be black. Click on Paragraph. Line spacing double. 0, 0, don't add extra space. Now level 2 I want to be indented a little bit to show that it's a different level. I like to indent it about 3/10 of an inch each successive level, so I've set this to 0.3 here. Click OK. OK. Level 3, modify. Okay, Times New Roman, 12 point, black font, click Format, Paragraph, okay, double space, set these to 0, don't add extra spaces. Indentation, the last one I indented 3/10 of an inch, so this level 3 I'm going to indent 6/10 of an inch. Click OK, 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 and then when I click OK again, it's going to ask me if I want to replace the table of contents. I click yes, and there it is, nicely generated. Right, we can see the level 1 headings are flush left, level 2 are indented 3, level 3 are indented 6, with a dot leader. Now, the nice thing about this feature in Word is that if you have to go in and change things in your table, in your thesis, which you probably will, and it will change the pagination, you can go up here and click Update Table, update page numbers only, and it will update all of those page numbers. If you've changed your headings, you can click Update Entire Table, and that will update your entire table. Hope this has been helpful, and good luck with your thesis or dissertation.